Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Joe L. Funner. GOELLFUNER bicycle pedals. These are mountain bike pedals with 3 sealed bearings, 9/16 spindle for mountain bike pedals with reflective strips for mountain bikes, of course, road bikes, pedelecs, and nearly all kind of bikes out there, because there it comes in a standard dimension. It's available in blue, in red, or in black on the market. We have 3 closed bearings, because these bicycle pedals have a main shaft made of chrome molybdenum steel with 3 bearings, which allows a smoother and more energy-saving pedaling compared to individual bearings. Chrome molybdenum steel is characterized by extremely high hardness and fatigue resistance, so that even in intensive use or pure road conditions, the metal fatigue and deformations are effectively reduced. This gives us a stable and reliable support without the need of frequent replacement. And we have a safe cycling. The pedals for the bike are equipped with 12 removable anti-slip pins, 6-inch sides, which ensures a firm hold for our feet and greatly improve the control and safety. They are shredded and can be easily replaced after wear, as you can see. There are highly reflective strips on both sides, which significantly improve the lateral visibility, so we can feel safer boosts when the driving at the night in the city and on trips into the countryside. And all-round waterproof, because the bicycle pedals are equipped with sealed bearing that effectively keep rain and must and dust away. Whether commuting in the rainy seasons or off-road tours, we don't have to worry about water penetrations. The pedals and the effective of it makes a good performance job. The corrosion-resistant coating and the rust-free axle enables the driving pleasure in any weather. And as you can see, there are CNC aluminum. That means the main part of the bicycle pedal is made of high-quality CNC aluminum. By combining high strength and a scientific cavity design, a pair weighs only about 280 grams. This makes it more than 20% lighter than traditional bicycle pedals. This effectively reduces the loss of inertia while driving. This makes the pedaling easier and the reaction faster, and it is especially suitable for competitions or long-distance endurance riding. And easy assemble, because these bicycle pedals have a standard 9/16 axle and are compatible with the most bikes on commuter bikes on the market. They can be easily mounted without any additional adapter. In addition, the bicycle pedals are marked with an L for left, an R for the right side, and an hexagon key, which makes the assembly really easy. And that's right. You can see which you need to install the pedals, and you can install them from the inside. That's cool because of the tool which is included. You see this Joe L. Funner bicycle pedals. You can replace them on nearly every kind of bicycle on the market. Remove it first, then clean the area, and then you can install it by hand first and then by the tool. Take care. On the left side, you have to this counterclockwise direction, and on the right side, you will need to perform the tightening in clock direction. Okay, that's important because there is an R for right and an L for not light but for left on the paddle itself. And if you attach them, we have a triple sealed bearing, significantly reduce the friction resistance, provide easier paddling and more direct power transmission. That's all possible with such kind of nice designed and really light Joe LL Funer bicycle paddles for your pedelecs, for your trekking bikes, for your road bikes, for your nearly every bikes are compatible with that here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.